Google Nest Doorbell Review 2025. Is it worth it? Smart doorbells are everywhere in 2025, but is the Google Nest Doorbell worth buying? The Nest Doorbell offers video, two-way audio motion alerts, and facial recognition. Most people get this wrong. They think all smart doorbells are equal, but Nest integrates seamlessly with Google Home, smart locks, and other smart devices. You won't believe what happens next. It can distinguish people, packages, and even animals, sending only relevant alerts to your phone. Installation is simple, with wired or battery-powered options. The app allows live streaming, video history, and integration with multiple accounts for family members. Some limitations include subscription fees for extended video history and occasional Wi-Fi connectivity issues. However, for home security, package monitoring, and smart home integration, it's one of the most polished options on the market. So, is it worth it? If you want reliable smart home integration, advanced alerts, and video monitoring, Nest Doorbell delivers. The surprising truth is that a smart doorbell isn't just convenience, it's a security tool that can give you peace of mind, protect packages, and help manage your home remotely.